with the World Cup on, figured I'd show you some of my sick football skills.
Sick. Okay.
Do the old stall behind the net.
You're special.
Oh god. Knock my sunglasses off. Okay, one thing I was really good at was doing a bunch of headers consecutively, but haven't done that in like, I don't know, 6 years. So we'll try that out. Oh, there's too much stuff in the way. Alright. $18, $19, $20. Yeah, pretty much an all-star soccer player.
In his
Football
dreams.
player. That's my sick soccer skills. Saturdays, tune in next week for more sick angles and sick soccer skills. Saturdays.
Dear Lord. He's special.
What do you have then? These are a good snack.
Veggie crisp.
So the macros are actually really good on these.
Whoa,
So
that's zesty.
for 10 crackers, 20 grams, which is like a fifth of the whole package, 90 calories, 3.5 fat, 13 carbs, and 2 protein. So super low calories, you know, basically just carbs and a little bit of fat. And these ones are the Zesty Ranch. They pretty much taste like, almost like Cool Ranch Doritos, somewhat. Got like different colors, made of veggies. Really good. Alright, we had to grab a phone so we knew what time it was. It's about 1:45. And we're gonna go wander for a little bit and see what we see. Peace. And down the road we go. Do you know how to use that camera yet? Didn't someone get you a 700-page book with all these different books in one on how to use your DSLR? And how many years ago was that?
Couple?
More than a couple. We really should have brought the Gorilla Pod. This is very hard on the shoulder.
And you don't even know.
Get her in action. My goodness! Look at all the pollen. You can see all this along the shoreline. It's just all pollen. It's crazy. Now with the photography skills. Okay, we're going to jump to the next cool spot and we'll show you when we get there. Yeah, see, I just had one bite my arm.
Bug spray's not working.
Okay, wait. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. We found a turtle.
Turtle, turtle.
Turtle, turtle. What you doing, turtle? Not turtly enough for the turtle club? Oh goodness, he looks like he's gonna like tumble. Ah! Belly slide.
Oh my god, look at him go.
Wow, he's going fast. The heck?
He's down there now.
Yeah, he's in the shade. All right, turtle saved. Yeah, so we're just gonna head back. We'll see you when we get back to the cabin. Spinorama, back to the cabin. Whoa. Alright, we're not back at the cabin yet. I realized that road we were walking down for so long was just the side road to get us back up to the main road. We've been walking for quite some time, and we are finally getting to the entrance. Sandy Lane Resort. This is like a 45-minute hike we just went on. Congrats, Julie and Chris. This is the wedding we're here for. And this is the place, Sandy Lane Resort. Oh, finally back to civilization. And we're back. Oh hey, how'd you beat me in here? We're home. That was quite the walk, and now we've got about an hour to get ready for the wedding. We just saw Chris. He's looking sharp. He's got the full suit on. He's probably dying because it is hot out there. But yeah, now it'll just be kind of getting ready for the wedding, relaxing. Now, probably show you guys what our outfits are looking like once we're all ready and dressed up. And yeah, should be a good time. Peace. What's going on? We're ready for the wedding. Here is what we're wearing. Got the blue paisley shirt, belt, gray pants, and then Tabi's dress.
Except for it's kind of big on the top. But it's short. Too long.
There is a fly or something buzzing all around me.
She like you.
Yeah, they're playing the song that we had walking down, well,
I walked down the aisle too.
walking down the aisle.
Act natural, act natural.
1,000 years.
Why did you say?
Man.
This is what happens at home too.
The Polaroid wall. Here's our photo. Look. What is this? Alright, what's going on everyone? It is Sunday, I believe the 15th. 16th. It's about 10:30. We're just finishing packing up, about to take off. Camera ended up dying yesterday at the reception, but it was a great wedding, great time. We ended up coming back and going out to a big like bonfire out in the middle of the campgrounds, just out that way. And yeah, it was a nice little weekend away, and now we're gonna head back, and we might stop at a few kind of like little scenic spots along the way. But other than that, sorry, I keep scratching my head because I got a mosquito bite in the top of my head and it's driving me crazy. If there were any complaints for the whole weekend, that would be the only thing, is the mosquitoes were wild at night. We got eaten alive, even with like bug spray like caked on. But it was a good weekend. Thank you, Chris and Julie, for having us. And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys in a little bit when we hit the road. Peace. Alright, so we found this little, it's called like Treadways Falls. So we just pulled off the road into here. We found, here's another little turtle. Hey, little guy. He's a tiny one, right to the one we saw yesterday. And then here, Tabi had just taken a picture over here. Oh, looks super nice. And then the falls are over that way, so we're gonna see if we can go and see them. There's Tabi doing a turtle photo shoot. Whee! This is a nice little spot we found. Saw another sign for Muskoka Falls, so we decided to drive down here. It's a pretty nice view. Tabi's taking a picture. Ooh, it is hot today. Holy moly. Here's a nice little lake. And then I guess there's falls up that way where there's the danger do not enter signs. Tabi's going to get another picture. But pretty nice. See you at our next stop. Stopped off in Gravenhurst now. We found a nice little spot right down on the lake. So I'm going to show you the view because it looks pretty epic. So I'll show you that. We're going to jump right down there to the lake. Okay. Gonna be down there in 3, 2, 1. And we're here. Looks super nice. Not sure what this thing is, but looks cool. There's a little beach. Very, very lemon lemon. Oh wow, it's that lemon lemon drink.
Here, you want to get in?
Alright. This thing is massive. Yep. Cool. Cool. Can I get the double patty with cheese and some fries?
Yeah, everything on it?
No pickle.
No pickle?
Yeah.
Okay. Any drinks today?
No, we're okay.
Yeah, good.
Is that all that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, Tabi got a poutine. Looks fairly good. I got some fries and a double cheeseburger. Try and open this up, show you what it's like. Looks kind of mangled, but kind of good. I think it's these guys. Lambo. Here's the Lambo owners behind us. Try the Instagram. Alright, try this thing out. It's pretty good, but I don't know, it's nothing spectacular. I don't know, the burger's good, but I don't know. We got here at a pretty good time, it looks like. It's a big lineup back there now. Alright, now. First time being here to Weavers.
Really?
I would say, like, honest rating would be like a 7, maybe 7.5 out of 10. It was good, but I mean, I wouldn't wait like an hour for it like these guys are probably going to. But it is a nice little stop off the highway. Got all these picnic tables. A little park for like dogs and that, and they actually have right back here. There's a little water fountain and a bowl so you can feed or get water for your dogs and pets and all that. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, solid like 7.5 out of 10. What's going on, everyone? We made it back home, sweet home. And now just have to, I threw a load of laundry in, got a few loads of laundry to do. Gotta do updates. So I got my surface, got a lot of updates to do, pretty much everyone. I think I only had gotten 2 clients updates before we left. So now I have to do all the rest. But yeah, so that's the plan for now. Gotta crank out a bunch of updates. And then we saw that The Ranch, the 5th season started on Netflix, or it might be the whole 5th season is on Netflix now. That show's hilarious. We really like that show. So I'm gonna try and, you know, work through these updates and then hopefully have a bit of relaxing time before it's time to go to bed and get ready for work again tomorrow. Because it's, what time is it? 4:30 or something?
4:47.
Wow, so almost 5 o'clock already.
Whoa.
And I'm just getting to my updates, so yeah, time to work. This is probably gonna be everything for this vlog. Like I said, the only other thing we're doing tonight is maybe watching some Netflix if I can get this work done. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the weekend away and the views as much as we did, although I know it's through a camera, yeah, not really the same. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you haven't checked out my Twitch channel, hit that up. It's the same as all my other social media. Twitch.tv/theapecoach. So the APE coach. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good night. Peace.